Believe it or not, lack of sleep can cause low hair growth. Hey there, beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Maureen and I'll be speaking all the day on why your natural hair cannot be growing as fast as it should be. Sit back, grab a notebook, and a pen because I'll be giving you 10 reasons as to why your natural hair is not growing and how you can use protective hairstyles for hair growth. First thing is first, treat your hair like a delicate flower. If you go to bed without a bonnet or a scarf, or not even deep conditioning your hair regularly, then expect no growth at all. Your hair needs to be nourished and treated with the care it deserves. The lack of moisture makes our hairs to be brittle, hence breakage, hence prone to no growth, period. So you have to moisturize your hair. Put in that leave-in, that cream into your hair. Make sure that your hair is well moisturized. Okay? You put in the leave-in, the oil, then cream. That is the lock style. Leave-in, oil, and then cream. This other reason is hormonal or medication changes, because the hormones can change and then cause stunt growth or also cause your hair to be lost. That is hair loss. In this particular case, whereby you experience like hair loss, you have to talk about it with your medical practitioner according to look at the kind of medication that you are taking. Did you? And did you know that what you eat determines how your hair will grow? Poor diet causes hair not to grow. Make sure that whatever you're eating, you include proteins in it, you include vegetables in it. I remember back in the days when I was young, we were always told to take some green so that our hair color can be maintained to be a certain color, to be black and all. So make sure you have proteins, make sure that you do vegetables, and take lots of water intake. Just like our little flower, we want to flower it, we want to water it with the water, okay? Well, right there, complaining my hair is not growing, but you're always on the heat. You're always making your hair to undergo heat experiences, blow drying, really hot blow drying regularly. Just stop it. Take a break from it. Do it as less times as you can, because with a lot of heat, it causes hair damage and then it causes hair dryness. With the dryness, your hair is already damaged, and with it being damaged, you will lose it. It will not grow. Okay, so you can also turn up these and start off doing styles that do not require a lot of heat. I hope you're still taking notes, because this one, I'm going to be stepping on the toes of a majority. You are impatient. You are impatient. Hair growth requires patience, and with patience, you can see results. You do not want to rush the hair. You know how long it takes to get just a little inch of hair to grow? So be patient, give your hair time, take good care of it, and then it's going to flourish. Believe it or not, lack of sleep can cause low hair growth. If you're not giving yourself enough time to sleep, you're not giving your body enough time to grow healthy hair. Say that you should sleep 8 hours, but here on hair growth, we're telling you to sleep 7 to 9 hours. I know I'm not condoning laziness or something, but give yourself enough sleep and then give your body time for your hair to like grow. Okay? And did you know that stress can weaken your hair? When you stress, your body releases a certain hormone. This hormone is called um called cortisol. Yeah, I'll be writing the name down here once I confirm the exact name. It causes, that hormone affects your hair growth. it causes your hair to have like stunted growth, hair loss, and all. So once you're stressed, try and look for ways in which you can control your stress levels. Try meditation, exercising, just whatever works for you. But please do not bring your stress onto your natural hair, because it's going to be affected when this particular hormone is produced. So with that well said and done, please just take care of your hair. Be patient. Make sure you follow our lock method, whereby you ensure that you put in some leave-in into your hair. You put in some leave-in into your hair, and then you put in the oils, then the cream. Do not stress yourself. Sleep. Exercise, have the right diet, and then you'll see magic working for your hair. And then the kind of protective hairstyles that you choose determine a lot how your hair proceedings will go on. So like this one, the one I had, you can see my hair. This one I had, they were just like two lines. They were just like two lines on my head, whereby once I undid my hair, that's how, and that's how I just wanted to protect it for some time, to have it for some time before I knew the next hairstyle that I'll be placing on. I also want to tell you something. When it comes to undoing your hair, this is a bonus tip. When it comes to undoing your hair, it also determines a lot how you undo it afterwards. What do you do? Do I immediately like start combing using such a comb, or what do I do for my hair? You'll have to take good care of your hair, and it will definitely not disappoint you. So don't worry, mine is shrinking, like totally shrinking right now, but it's okay. So make sure that you take these tips with you home. And that is it. And if you want to watch more content on my hair tutorials, my face tutorials, my journey as I am doing all these tutorials, as I'm working on myself and bettering my growth, we have so many tutorials on all that. Please like this video, like this video so far, like it, share it out there, tell a friend about this channel, and click here to watch other uploads. Well, we've been doing so many tutorials on hair styles, so much beauty and everything when it comes to matters tutorials, beauty, hair, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in such kind of content and you want to know more on hairstyles and everything nice, click on this link here to watch my other contents, that is.